Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. So nobody asked, but my parents and I want to go shopping today, so I just got ready. I'm about to get dressed up. By the way, do you like my robe? It's vintage Christian Dior. I just got a notification that my Target delivery just got here and it's from the Studio McGee collection. So let's go ahead and go get that. I want to unbox it with you and I want to give you my first impressions to see if these items were worth the hype and the money. So let's go ahead and go get it. Oh my gosh, I think all of them just got delivered. Wow. Okay, I am very excited to see what is in here because if you watched my last vlog, you would know that this has been quite the struggle to get. So, okay, what is in here? So I opened up the first package and there was a lot of styrofoam in there, which I'm not too happy about because it's too much waste. But it is my sconce in the black metal, kind of oil rubbed bronze. And it's a lot bigger than I expected, you guys. Look at it compared to my head. She is so big and I feel like, you know, I'm gonna say the quality is not bad. Quality is really good for a sconce and you get that high-end feel. Now I really want a pair, so I have my notifications on. If you watched my last vlog, you would know that the Target app only added one sconce instead of two, so it was a whole fiasco, I just have to say. Okay, so the next item that I want to show you is in here, but as you can see, there's so much styrofoam and I just think that's such a waste as far as packaging, and it also arrived in like a really big box. So Target, let's get that packaging together, girl. Okay, wow, this next item is stunning. I managed to grab the brass buffet lamp, and again, it's a lot bigger than I expected, but I guess that's actually a good thing. I think I prefer the brass finish over the black. I will say though, there's like little dents kind of here on the lamp. I hope you can see that on camera. But you know what? It's not like the biggest deal. I plan on putting this either here in the living room or in the bedroom. I did manage to get a second one of these, so I have a pair coming. Let's take a look at that little knot detail. It is beautiful. Okay, so here's how the buffet lamp looks like on my console. And this is kind of like my fall setup. If you haven't seen my fall entryway video, make sure you check it out. I will leave the link down below, but I am so impressed with the quality of this lamp. So I have a few more items coming in from this collection. I think they're getting delivered in different packages, so I can't wait for those to come in, but now I have to get ready, I have to get dressed. I'm meeting my parents because we're going shopping. I swear if shopping was like a sport, I would totally be an athlete. Comment down below if you're an athlete just like me, okay? I just got ready. The studio is still an absolute mess. We're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna go grab lunch after we go shopping, and it was actually my mom's birthday not too long ago, so we're gonna do a little late birthday lunch. But anyway, here is what I'm wearing today. Everything is Gucci except for my top. My top is from Target. Okay, you guys, I just got here to the Crystals Mall here in Las Vegas. It's actually a luxury mall, and I'm waiting for my parents. My mom wants to look for a new bag, and I'm gonna do a little shopping myself, so let's see if we can find anything good today. Oh, Van Cleef. Say hello to my mom and dad.
Hello.
We just got done shopping at Gucci.
Here you go.
So now we're on our way to the Wynn. I really want to go to the Earth Cafe and just have a little sandwich or something, so we're on our way there. Testing out the new vlog camera, so let me know if you guys like it. I parked that way, so.
Oh. Alright.
You parked that way?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just meet you.
Meet you at the Earth Cafe.
I think my parents are happy. They bought a bunch of stuff from Gucci. We love to see it.
Yeah.
I am on my way to Earth Cafe, and my parents are gonna meet me here. We are so hungry. I love their like Diablo sandwiches. So good. I'm gonna get the Panini El Diablo. That's my favorite here at Earth Cafe.
I'm not sure. You said this is good?
Yeah, I love that one, but I think I'm gonna do that matcha tiramisu for something sweet. It's so good. I had to sneak away from my parents because I forgot my mom's gift in the car. Here is the gift that I forgot. Let me just put it back in my bag. There we go. Okay. I'm back.
What do you think of this? Yeah?
Okay, show everyone your wedding dress. It's a dress she's wearing to a wedding. She's not getting married. She's already married. To him. Food is ready. I got the El Diablo panini, and my parents got some avocado toast, which looks so, so good. The Divine Spice Chai Latte is, how is it, Queen?
Really good.
Okay, before we eat, happy birthday! Happy birthday. Okay, open it. Wow! Wait, look at all the details on the pearls. Do you see all the little GGs on the pearls? Ah, so cute! You can wear it if you want. Darling, pearls are always a good idea. Just throw her on. Throw her on. See, it looks so good. Tell my mom the pearls are always a good idea. Look how good it looks with the blue dress. Oh, hey you, how are you? Good to see you. Mom, I feel like you match the decor in here. Okay, so my dad said he's choking on those microgreens. We love a fancy avocado toast, okay? We just got done with lunch, huh?
The midnight sky is the road I'm taking. I don't belong to anyone. Oh, no.
Oh, I just got home and that was so much fun going to Earth Cafe. I actually don't go out to eat or grab drinks that often. If I do, I take it home, you know? Just something weird about going out and having lunch still. Is it just me, or are you guys doing the same? Are you guys eating normally? Is it just like, maybe it's just me. Also, the mask really just kind of stresses me out, so I'd rather just be at home, eat at home, and be comfortable, you know? Anyway, I want to show you the rest of my home decor pieces. I think the rest of my packages just arrived, so let's go ahead and go and get that. So the first item that I want to show you is another table lamp from the Studio McGee collab with Target. Now, this one is smaller than I expected, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it's just not the vibe. It looks kind of like, it looks like the shade is kind of dipping over, like a little bit crooked. I don't know, the shade also, this part is not the best quality, so I think this is gonna have to just go back. And the next item is the brass wall sconce, and wow, this one I'm very, very impressed with the quality. I will say though, there is like a little imperfection. I don't know if you could see that. I mean, for $60, the quality is not luxurious and super high-end, but it has the look of a really high-end lamp. And look how good this would be on a white wall. Are you kidding? So if you didn't watch my last vlog, this was the drama. I have one brass and one black. Like, what the hell am I gonna do with just one? It's the following day and I have a lot to do today, you guys. I'm really on the hunt for a new headboard for the bedroom because ours is just, it's old, it's tufted, and it's just like not the vibe, you know? I actually really wanna get a new bed, but I'm kind of being very picky. I wanna make sure it's the right bed and something that we'll have for years and years. So I don't wanna just get any bed. So I'm gonna be making the rounds today. Wish me luck. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup right now and I'm feeling very, very glowy. Hi Glow, how are you? So, change of plans. I don't think I'm gonna find a headboard today because I called every single store looking for a king headboard, and I guess stores just don't have those in stock. We're here in the antique mall, and this one looks promising. Sometimes when you go to a place here in Vegas, it's kind of like, ugh, a little janky, but this looks good. There is a lot of stuff in here, so let's take a look around. I'm looking for large kind of accent pieces, furniture pieces. Ooh, look, lots of crystals. That's a very cool piece, this black leather stool. I wish they had two of them. They only have one here. It's for $65, not bad. Wow, I found the most amazing mid-century leather chairs. The shape is incredible. Now, the colors are not exactly my house. It's $250. I'm asking them right now if they can give me a discount because this could be so good for either the bedroom or the studio. I'm getting major Santa Monica proper hotel vibes. I can't believe I found those two mid-century modern chairs. I knew this place was gonna be good. I swear they look exactly like a chair or chairs that I've seen at the Santa Monica proper hotel, and I can see the vision now. I'm gonna get it reupholstered in a really nice dark leather, and oh, it's gonna look so good in the living room, you guys. You know I'm very inspired by those round kind of bulbous shapes, so very excited. I already called Andrew, so he's gonna come over here and help me pick it up. Oh my God, do you see these pendant lights? These are so stunning. What in the world? Wait, let me see how much they are. It's only $149. Where can I put these? They are so incredible. Do you see how big those pendants are? Wow. I want one. Let me text a photo to Andrew and see what he says. Of course I would find some vintage Gucci in here. This is a really big piece too. It's $550. Yes, it's definitely authentic. Oh my gosh, wait, is that it? Sarah, is that you, girl? That's her. Wait, is this it? No, it's not the one, you guys. This is not the one I was looking for. Oh, I got so excited there for a second. Oh my God, I got way too excited and it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. That's a bummer. Let's look over here real quick. So I just talked to my rug guy and they haven't gotten anything nice, so let's check the rug, let's check the art. Okay, so I saw this here last time and it's just a plain white with a textured kind of effect. Now they have this one, almost looks like a trompe-l'oeil, kind of like fabric being pulled. It's really chic. It's for $59.99. I wish it wasn't silver up here, otherwise it would be really nice in either black or wood. They actually have two of each one here. Could be so good for the bedroom. I just wish the frame wasn't that color. Okay, well it looks like they're putting out some new art actually. This one by Park Lane Gallery. Not bad, all black and white. It's $99. Oh, they actually have two like similar ones. Oh yes, this is so good to have both, you guys. Oh, it has like a little bit of a terracotta down there. Okay, that's what it looks like. Cute. Let's give him pumpkin to talk about. I'm here in like the Halloween section, the fall section, and I'm just not into this decor, you guys. Are you into like the super Halloween, super fall decor? Let me show you. Is this your vibe? Do you like decorating like this? Or is this your vibe? Do you like a bunch of pumpkins, colorful pumpkins? Okay, we don't need pumpkins with words on them. No. That's interesting. If you're looking for a bar cart and marble and brass is your thing, this is $129. This one's a little bit beat up, but I'm sure if you go to your local store, you might be able to find one. They have a Magnolia Home Rug. So these are actually made and crafted by Loloi. And look at this muted beige with little hints of blue. It's so beautiful. I wish they had a large one. I don't know if you could tell what the pattern looks like, but it is so incredible. This rug is amazing. It's by the brand Fizzy, $499. It's hand knotted. Now if your color scheme, your color palette has kind of a muted blue, this really beautiful peachy tone. Wow, so pretty. Keep a lookout at your local store for this brand because it's stunning. You always want something that's hand knotted, not hand knotter. Oh wow, they even have the blue one here. Super nice. I think it's time to go. I'm not finding anything. I was just talking to my friend that works in the rug section, and I was telling him the Jaipur living rug that I got here at this location, I've been tagging the brand, and now they want to feature me. Am I in focus? And now they want to feature me in their catalog, which is absolutely insane. I just got home and I want to quickly show you the chair here in my studio because it looks so good with my Sarah Book art piece. And oh my gosh, do you see that vintage goodness next to my art piece and how it just picks up those round and curvaceous shapes? Ugh. I'm actually not mad at this lighter colored leather, but I am going to get it reupholstered in a darker leather because I feel like it will look so much more refined. So I still cannot believe that I found this chair for about $200 each because I know I saw the exact same chairs at the Santa Monica proper hotel, and I couldn't find the name of like the designer or like the history behind these chairs. Comment down below if you know the names of these chairs because I feel like they have some sort of really cool story behind them. Anyway, of course I'm gonna let you know once these chairs get reupholstered. Andrew actually knows of a place already, so we're gonna go tomorrow, grab swatches. I have a lot of stuff to do tonight. I have some planning to do for future projects, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.